Hi guys, this is Harry62 and today I'm going to review the Gashapon version of the Wizard Rings. As you see here, I have 4 in 4 leaflet here, and I've only got 2 4 in 4 rings. I only have got Driver on, which is here, and the Kraken ring, which is here, which is just really right next to each other. I really want to get Flame Dragon if I don't get the Dragon style ring set and a Hurricane Dragon style ring set. If I don't get both set, I'll just get the Thunder Ring and this Gashapon version of them. And then, as you see in the 4 in 4 Gashapon set, you get the Engage ring, Dragon Rise ring, Connect ring, Copy ring, Force Mephio Fusion ring, O's Tatoba combo ring, O's Tajado combo ring, and that Kabuto ring. In this, oh, one more thing. I haven't mentioned this in my previous Wizard reviews. This is the extended ring size. The ring that you can. This is because the size of the normal Wizard ring is too small for me, so I get the extended ring so it fits my finger. Yeah. So yeah. And then I just got these two from 4 in 4. 4 in 3 Sleep ring. I don't have the leaflet because I brought it separately and it doesn't have leaflet with it. So which is a shame. I can't show you the leaflet. Never mind. Here you have the land style ring painted, which is a Gashapon version. This is the 300 foil lines version of the set 3 ring, set 3 land style ring. Foil lines are very special because they're like the special edition of the Gashapon ones. Special edition of the Gashapon ones. Sorry, I said it twice. I don't know, just very special. I think there's like only 300 of them, something. So these are very special. I got one here. I shall show you in my last review. This is very special. It's painted. I like the one with the normal ones better though, with the lights. But it's fine if I get this because it still makes the noise. So yeah. So let me play these Gashapon rings on the Wizard Driver, and I'll show you the sound of it as well. The land style has his own kick strike as well, so I used the kick strike from the Wizard Driver, and I'll show you the sound as well. So let's use Driver on first, shall we? Let me put my camera down. So Wizard Driver on ring, Driver on. So let me turn this on. It's already on anyway. I forgot to switch it off in my last review. So Driver on. Let me show that again because it's quite weird when I scan that. Maybe it's too much ring here, that's why. Let me get these ring out of the way first. So Driver on. This sound is basically it's really accurate to the series. Yeah. Sorry. Excuse me. Then I'll show you the Kraken ring. As I don't have the Kraken Prime Monster, I had this ring, first ever wizard ring. Yep, it sounds like this. It's like and then building the Kraken. So, yeah, this is basically 4-in-4. The 4-in-4 ring I got. Next, I'm gonna show you the sleep ring, one of the 4-in-3 wizard rings that comes with. So let me show you this. I love this ring. Yeah, this is why the only thing I love this ring, because it makes a snoring sound. So I love this ring. Next, we have the 300 foil lines 4-in-3 version of the land style ring. I will show you the photo of the 4-in-3 300 foil line at the end of the review. I may show you a picture. I may have a picture. I don't know. I'll show you the picture. So, yeah. So here is the land style ring. Yeah, Lando. This comes with yellow light just now. So land style ring. Let me do that again actually. Sorry about this. It's quite cool. Yep, do. Yeah, I really like that sound. Now let's do the kick strike. Yellow lights. Yeah, pretty good. So, oh yeah, I'll show you the picture of the 300 foil lines rings. Okay, here is my laptop, as you see. This is the 4-in-3 300 foil lines. You have frame dragon, hurricane, land style, which I got. Unicorn, sleep ring, engage ring, dragon rise ring, double cyclone joker ring, force ring, connect ring, small ring, cougar mighty ring, cougar dragon ring, cougar pegasus ring, cougar titan ring. So this is basically 4-in-3 of the 300 foil line rings. So, and I got the land dragon, as I told you a million times. Not million times, sorry about that. Yeah, so this is basically the end of the review. And I'll review the Akito Kenny toy belt next time, because I don't have the deluxe Akito or either the Legend Rider Akito belt, so I ordered the Kenny toy Akito belt, which you have to build yourself. I'll show you that next time. I already built it, but I can't be bothered to get it out only. I'll show you in a review. So, see you guys next time with the Akito Kenny toy belt. Thank you for watching. 疑ってみるよりも中に飛び込んで